Are you intraday trader and are you willing to do intraday trading as a full time or maybe a part time? Then one question you are always figure out that which is a time to take a trade in intraday, like in morning or maybe in afternoon or maybe in between of the market hours. So if you have facing this question again and again and again, then I have a solution, and in this video we are going to discuss about intraday time zones. So if you want to know, then watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, my name is Yagnesh Patel and I'm back with one more power pack video about intraday time zone. If you are facing this kind of problem, which is a proper time to take a trade in market, let me clarify. Like, I want to trade in morning when market opens. I would like to trade in the morning like 9:15 or maybe 9:30 or maybe 10 in the morning. Or is it good to take a trade around 12, 11 or maybe in afternoon like 2 p.m, 3 p.m. So are you really confused which time on which is a proper zone to take a trade? Then I have a good solution for you, and I have this entire trading session. I'm especially talking about the Indian markets since 9:15 to 3:30 p.m. We are going to depart this time frame into three zones. Okay, the first zone is around 9:15 to 11 in the morning. This is the first zone, and this is a possibility of good momentum in the market. So this is a good time to take intraday trading. The second zone is from 11 to 1:30 p.m. in the afternoon. This is the zone 2. This is not a good zone, by the way. In the market, most of the time market will be in the sideways majority of the time. There are probability of going upside or downside and high volatility in this, but a very few occasion like budget or maybe the quarter results or maybe RBI policy, something like that, then this time zone 2 will be useful for take a trade. And after 1:30 to 3:30 is a zone 3, which is a very powerful time zone to trade in intraday especially. So if you are looking to quick and doing intraday trading with a very short span, then zone 3 is a very best option to take trade in market. Okay, so I'm also going to share and discuss few example on charts, so which will very much clarify you zone 1, zone 2 and zone 3. Okay, and the zone 1 and zone 3 are the best part to take a trade in intraday. So further we are going to discuss in this about with looking at the charts. So let's jump to the screen. Hi, welcome to the screen, and this is the snapshot of one stock, and we are going to identify the zones of zone 1, zone 2 and zone 3. So let's discuss. This is the 8th. You can see the first starting of the market. This is 9:15 first candle, and we have seen good momentum on upside. We call it zone 1. And here after 10:30, 11, here from 11 it has been in a sideways. This stock is in sideways till 3:30 2 p.m. in the afternoon, and it is zone 2. So no good idea here to take a trade, because market is going up down in between support and resistance. So zone 3 we have seen after 2, this is a good decline in stock price. So this is zone 3. Okay, so it is a good area to take a trade, and the zone 1 is a probably a good area and good time to take a trade. Let's discuss one more. This is Bank Nifty chart, and we have seen in morning the small downfall here in the beginning, the zone 1, then it is in sideways from 11 to 2. Here is zone 2. It's totally in sideways Bank Nifty, going downside, then upside, then again downside, and finally at after 2 p.m. it has started moving on upside. We have seen a good momentum on upside. Zone 3 here is a very nice momentum in Bank Nifty. So that is the reason why we are choosing zone 1 or maybe zone 3 is a good area to take a trade. One more chart is Bank Nifty again, and we have seen in zone 1 there is a good upside momentum here. So morning the start of 9:15 candle, and Bank Nifty is going upside. Then from 11 it is into the sideways zone. After 1:30 we have seen some momentum, and after 2 p.m. we are giving a very good nice downside momentum. So that's the way. Zone 3 is very powerful compared to the zone 2. Okay, and zone 1 is also giving good momentum. So ideally we are choosing zone 1 or maybe zone 3. One more example here, as in this Bank chart, in zone 1 here it's small upside momentum, then from 11 it is into sideways, and after 1:30 p.m. we have seen a good upside momentum. So that is the reason we are choosing zone 3, probably a very high area of momentum, and we will see and we will get some kind of good trades in this zone. One more example, in zone 1 we have seen a good upside momentum. This is Infosys chart. After see, zone 2 is totally sideways, and then again zone 3 slightly moving upside and then sideways. So it is not possible always zone 1 in same day. Zone 1 is high momentum and zone 3 is high momentum. Probability is high that it will give you good momentum, but it is not necessary. There is no fixed rule for zone 1 is giving upside momentum, then zone 3 will also give you upside momentum. There is no such rules, but we are here to gauge a high momentum in zone 3 or maybe in zone 1. This is one more example. Zone 1, the downside momentum, then sideways. Zone 2, this is zone 2, and this is zone 3. One more example here. Zone 1, upside momentum, then zone 2 is sideways. Zone 3, we have seen good downside fall. This is also Reliance example. Zone 1, it's good upside momentum. Zone 2 is totally sideways, and again in zone 3 it has given a good move on downside as well. This is last example. We have seen zone 1, it is a very high momentum on upside, then zone 2 is totally sideways, and even in zone 3 it is also in sideways. So this is the case I was talking about. It is not necessary zone 3 will definitely give you good momentum. It may give good momentum, but there is no fixed such rules. Okay, but zone 1 and zone 3 has high probability of moving ups and downs. The very volatile move we can see in zone 1 and zone 3 compared to zone 2. So that's the reason we are choosing the zone 1 for intraday trading or zone 3 for intraday trading. So let's meet to the outer video. So you have watched entire video properly, and now you are very much clear that zone 1 is a very high momentum area. Zone 3 is also a very high momentum area, but zone 3 is very less momentum. So don't try to take trade in zone 2. So always try to participate in zone 1 or zone 3, which is a proper time to take a trade in intraday trading. If you are really want to pursue intraday trading and want to make money out of intraday trading, then prefer zone 1 and zone 3. Either of is good, or maybe you are trading only zone 1 or only zone 3. That's all. That should be also okay. So I hope you like this video, and if you really like this video, you can hit the like button, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, you can subscribe to my channel. Wait for my another video. Thank you so much.